Hi, I am Nishtha. Welcome you all to our new video tutorial of Magento 2. In today's video, we're going to check out the default functionality of Magento 2, wherein we're going to see how we can export the customer main file into our CSV file format. But before proceeding further, kindly do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates from our end. And if you do like the video, kindly give the thumbs up. Now, let's move towards the admin backend panel of Magento 2 so that I can show you the workflow of this functionality. Now, as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel, and from here, I'm going to log in into the panel. Once you logged in into the panel, you're going to redirect it towards the dashboard of this panel. And on the left hand side, you can see the system option is there. You have to click on that system option. Then you can see the data transfer option is there. Under that, you have to click on the export option. Once you click on the export option, you will be redirected towards the export setting page. There you can see the settings of the export page. And here you can see entity type, export file format, fields enclosure. And on the bottom side, you can see the files are there. These are the files which you will going to download will appear itself. And from here you can download, or if you want to delete, you can delete that file. So now the first option is entity type. You have to choose one of the entity whichsoever you want to download. There are advanced pricing, products, customers main file, customer addresses and stock addresses. So in our previous videos, I have already shown how we can export advanced pricing, how we can export products, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can export customers main file, and the rest of the two options I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos. So as of now, I'm going to click on this customer's main file. The next option is export file format. The fields enclosure. This option is used for just in case if you want that your data should be prevented from the special characters. So you can check this inbox, and if in case if you don't want that, so you can uncheck this box. And by scrolling down, you can see this continue option is there. You have to click on this continue option. Once you click on this continue option, there will be a pop-up that message is added to queue. Wait to get your file soon. Make sure your cron job is running to export the file. So kindly note, whenever you are downloading any file, cron job must be running at the backend. And right now the cron job is running at the backend. That's why we are able to download this file. So I'm going to download this file from here. Now open the file. Here you can see the details of the customers are there, like email, website, store, confirmation, created at, created in, customer identity, first name. Everything is mentioned of the customer related details here itself. If you want to check, you can check from here. So that was much about this functionality of Magento 2 from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding this functionality of Magento 2, you can reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day ahead.